I can learn English. Past tense verbs. In English, verbs are doing or action words like walk, jump, and play. To make the present tense verb walk into the past tense, we add the letters ed to make the word walked. We can say, yesterday the cat walked in the garden. Here are some more verbs that we can make into the past tense by adding the letters ed. These are called regular verbs. The past tense of jump is jumped. Yesterday, the cat jumped over the rock. The past tense of play is played. Yesterday, the children played at the beach. The past tense of climb is climbed. Yesterday, the boy climbed up the ladder. The past tense of shout is shouted. Yesterday, Amy shouted when she saw her friends. Now we have learned these regular verbs that need the letters E and D added to the end to make them into past tense in English. Walked, jumped, played, climbed, and shouted. Great work!